Hey guys, so I just got an order from a customer, so I need to get my printer set up and working way sooner than I thought. They want to try to have a sample by Monday. Today is Thursday night. It's 10:30. All my family's asleep, so this is the perfect time for me to work. I've got the cutter right here with some material on top of it. I'm going to move the material and get the cutter out and set up. So I'm going to take you through the unboxing process, and then we'll maybe see about starting in to the printer. So let's go ahead and get that done. So this just says accessory kit. We've got power cords for every region. An Ethernet cable with shielded Cat 6 or Cat 7, can't tell. Some extra blades, a material cutter, so this has got the Flexi Print and Cut serial number, so make sure you don't lose that.
So find a flat surface to place the cutter body. Find a flat surface to place the cutter body on. A table is recommended. Remove the cutter body from the box and place it on the flat surface. 2 people are required. Well, that doesn't help. Remove the end caps in the plastic bag. Be careful with the end caps, the cutter hubs are stored inside them. Open the sandbar to remove the contents. All the parts shown above are required for assembly. So it goes through the assembly here.
Alright, so basically I gotta figure out how to get this out of the box onto a table, assemble the stand, and then put it on the stand. Alright, so this is the back side of the printer here. See if I can take you on a quick tour. We got some roller bars, I'm not sure what they're for just yet. Sure, for media. Got some pinch rollers right there in the back. It says HP signage suite. Again, there's the pinch rollers from the front. Not sure what that is. They've got the carriage assembly locked down, and then the panel here. This is just a Suma Series D cutter. It's rebranded HP. With a few HP specific features and components. So HP Latex 54 cutter. All right. So next up is the stand.
Open the box. Move the box to a table. Take the ends off. Don't lose the end caps. Great. Now this step is unbox the stand. So it says open the stand box, remove the contents. All the parts shown are required. Great. Place the feet side by side with the orange dot sticker on the same side. Identifies the short end of the foot. So I guess let's do the unbox first. So all the wheels are locked. And let's show you a couple of things here. So it's saying that this helps align the cutter. There's one on each side. And then you screw the cutter in with the remaining screws. So I'm going to try to shift the table. And you're going to watch my attempt here. I'm going to try to shift the table this way to line up as best I can with the stand.
All right, so you can see my sweaty self here. It's now going over the basket, which I think I'll wait until I get that in the office. And then the cable tie is for the power cable and Ethernet cable. So I think that's about it. Maybe let's move it into the office and see about getting the basket done. This went faster than expected. I think we're about 30 minutes right now. So by myself is pretty good.
Alright, that's where I want her to go. Let's see what she looks like in the camera. Oh, you guys got to miss half of it. There she goes. So this wall from that corner right there all the way over is about 11 feet. So I guess it'd probably be easier to use that table in the other room. So let's go open that box and see.
So that's getting the cutter set up. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do a video on installing the FlexiCut software, and I'll do a video on getting the printer all set up. Hopefully that goes a little bit faster. I think we've been going about 45 minutes. 51 minutes. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join me on this journey of getting this printer and cutter set up and running a print and promotions business. Again, give that like button a smash and have a great one.